microtome by abron export. It has different sections. This is the block. It has a different compressor. The block has a different compressor, and this section has a different compressor. Two compressors are there. These are the block holders, and some brushes are there. Now this is the panel. We have control panel, which is first MCB is there. When you connect it, you must use the 3 kilowatt stabilizer. Switching on MCB, this is the main switch and controller. Chamber controller, microtome controller, and block controller. You can just switch off and on. Here is the menu. This is the temperature. If I want to switch on the light, there is one UV light here. Now you see it is switched on and off. UV light, you can switch on and see this. Similarly, this controller has a fluorescent light. You can switch on this light by this. You can switch on and off. Inside chamber you can see. The program is here. Compressor you can switch off. This switch is off. If you have to see the program now, for program, this you can increase or decrease temperature of this. See this, now I am increasing, basically 35 degree. Then weekly mode, then weekly timer, temperature. If you want to set these things, weekly mode, time, program, Tuesday, you can set the days or second or increase or decrease. Days you can change the temperature also. Similarly, clock, day, you can change the days of the working. Then program successful. Now start the compressor. Once the compressor is starting, we are running it in the morning and starts to. We are is the present temperature 33. We are setting on 35. We want 35. Similar is this. Same. You can switch off and on compressor. Switch off. Now we want this temperature. Temperature is 30 degree. You can increase or decrease. So let me say I can change it. You see, changing is there. Then you can set the program, alarm of the door, weekly, days, temperature is set. It should be complete. When this program you are setting weekly and date, I have set now program is successful. After this, now you have to switch on the compressor. If there is a micro switch here, this switch, if you switch it on, this indicates alarm and door is open. Now let us learn the working of this chamber microcontroller. There is a cut process and there is a trimming. You can trim means starting of this block, and this is you can change, increase or decrease. It is very easy. Trimming is for block adjustment. Trimming is faster. Cut is this block. Now let us learn the block. First of all, we use the brush with the solution. We have provided the solution here, and blades are like this. The blade is cut here. Now we are cutting the sample. Just see sample cutting. We can now increase or decrease. This comes closer. By adjusting this, we can make it close to our. Now it is just cutting block. This is the brush. We collect the sample by air, and there is another. You can do it by this plate also. When we cut the sample, these spare plates are there. We collected the sample from here and then take the sample to the desired place. We'll make another video. You can check up how it works.